So ito talaga matindi to. Lahat trabaho nila,
Yeah, this is a little call center area where they get all the data of all their campers, and then they put it in a system of bringing the youth to churches via connections through their call center area. Nandito kami sa anong floor to? 14th floor. Look at that. Yan, that is Dr. June over there. Taga Bacolod na. Kabalo na yan mag-Ilonggo ay.
Kabalo man mag-Ilonggo.
Yari kami din subong. Oy. Katahong sa lugar nila. These are 5 units. 5 ni ka units. This is big. Isa lang to ka area. Ngayon, itong media room nila. This is the conference area. And salamat. It's really excellent, no? They put their vision statements over there and everything. So, ang ganda. This is Global Life University office under the Rawlings Foundation. This is a secret over here in the sense that that's their partner in financing all these things. So, wow. Look what's happening, no? Ang ganda, ang galing. Yan. So,
This is the media center.
wow. Thank you, Lord. So they have students via the media group so that people can graduate in their Bible school. O nandito kami to ask for help. Tingnan natin what will happen.